Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. Oh my god, really? Immediately when I start filming, he drops that bone on the floor. I bet it will happen again. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trish, and this is the channel where I document my fiber dyeing, spinning, processing, washing, knitting, weaving, sometimes a little crochet. It's kind of a lot, but in case you're only interested in one thing, there's playlists. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more. Today, I've been very busy this week, you guys. Aren't you impressed? 3 videos. Woo! Today, my Paradise Fibers box just showed up at my front door. I'm super excited, and I actually am prepared. And you guys, I got a special pocket knife just to open packages so I won't steal my husband's anymore. It's the little things, right? Okay, so it's February. What month is it? It's February 2020. My husband's gonna be, oh, maybe I shouldn't say. His birthday is coming up. February's birthday month for John. April's birthday month for me. Getting kind of excited. And I'm excited to open this box. So if you're new to my channel, you wouldn't know this. Every month, I buy a box and Paradise sends me a box to review on my channel. So I open it so you can all see it, and then I give the other box away. It's not here yet, that's why. Normally I show you both of them, but it's not here yet. It'll be here, don't even worry. It's all fine. I'm not worried. Do I look worried? Not worried. After I finish filming this, I will go ahead and pick a winner for the January box. If you want to see that unboxing, you can see it below. And also, if you love this box and you want your own, there is a link below so you can subscribe. So honestly, I got asked this recently, but I've been asked it more than once, and you guys have probably seen it in the comments. People say, how do you decide? There's so many subscriptions, how do you decide? I used to get 3, and I unboxed them all on this channel. So if you go far back enough, you will see 3 different subscriptions, at least 3, maybe more, I'm not even sure. And at one point I decided I need to scale back. One of them I was like, I'm definitely not getting this anymore. It was just like a box full of random odds and ends, and it wasn't very like what I wanted for a surprise. And then the other one was 4 ounces a month, which I did like, but this is so much better. They put time and effort into curating these boxes, and it's like a fun, super fun surprise that you buy for yourself. So without any further babble, let's open this box. Okay, so they did send out a hint this month, and it was something like sweet treats. You know, Valentine's is coming up, so I'm assuming it's gonna be something sort of candy themed, but we will see. Don't be jealous of my sweet hot pink marble pocket knife. I know you are though. Okay, ready? I'm excited this month. I spun half my box last month. A lot of times I don't get to it. Okay. Do I still have it? Yep, hang on. Okay, ready? Woo! All right, so there is candy right here. So it says we're kicking off the spring season early. Oh gosh, I feel it. With a new collection of sumptuously saturated tweed blends. I love tweed. There's some tweed videos if you go back far enough on my channel. So the Sweetheart Tweed collection is made up of 8 Conversation Heart inspired blends, of which 6 are included in your box. Spin them alone to make mini skeins, blend them together for a festive creation, or gift them to your fiber friends. There's no way I'm gonna gift these. Are you kidding? I keep these. Don't talk crazy, Paradise. Okay, so check out this cute paper. I love it. I'm sure you guys realize that I love love. look. Look at, you wanna see what's in there? You wanna see what's in there? Wanna see what's in there? Hey, what's in here? Oh, so excited. Okay. I'm gonna push that down so that I can get, oh my God. Oh, look. Okay, so I was just telling my husband how much I love the stickers. So these are sticking to me because it's so dry in here. Get in the box. Okay, so there is, well, wait, I should read you the description because they always do list. There is a whole sheet of stickers in here. It says, one limited edition vinyl sheep sticker sheet. Be our Valentine. Get out. I love the stickers. These are so cute. This one says, I love you. Okay. So I'm gonna quick adjust. I'm gonna stop this and adjust the light because I'm not sure it's right today. Okay, you guys, that is much, much, much better. All right, so in your box, 6 ounces of the new Sweetheart Tweed collection, 1 ounce of 6 colors, Superwash BFL, Sari Silk, Faux Cashmere. Oh, yes. Yes, please. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the colors because this makes me very excited and I'm probably gonna wanna buy some more. Okay. So on the back of the sheet they sent, does that smell good? What are you doing? They sent like a description of the different colors. So I'm gonna tell you what they are. Okay, so this one is I Love You. Gosh, it's really pretty, kind of a deep pink, almost with like a purpley tint to it. It's really, really nice. Okay, this one is Don't Frog Me. Oh, I will frog you. I will frog you. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. It's like they read my mind because I've been thinking about buying some more Sari Silk to make tweeds because I just can't find anything that I like better to make a tweed yarn. This one is Draft You Later. Oh my gosh, wait, let me open it up a little bit because you're not really seeing the full gorgeousness this way. Oh, so it's a little bit of a more bluish purple. Look how pretty. Okay. This one is Let's Ply. I like this little kind of, it's not really an orange. It's almost like a sunrisey. It's not really yellow. It's not really orange. Like a marigold color, I guess. Oh, I'm into it right now because spring. That is beautiful. This one is Heartfelt. I'm gonna open it up so you can see a little bit better. Oh gosh, look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that. My brain's already trying to decide what to do with these. You know how I am. And then this one is called Hooked on You, and of course this is the most Trish color in here, but honestly I like them all. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. That is unreal. Just want to make sure you guys get a good look. So okay, so that's all 6. I have to say, so if you don't know, if you get this box, you can buy what's in the things that get sent in the box ahead of time. They don't go up on the Paradise site immediately, but you can call and buy them before they're like available to the hoi polloi of the world. So, all right, so next, One Handmade Goat Milk and Wild Honey Soap. That's what Luther's after. There's nothing in there for you. Yeah, it smells yummy. Okay, so, oh look. Hey, take it easy now. Oh. Okay. So, it says milk and honey soap, Paradise Fibers, Fiber Club exclusive. He really wants to eat it. I can't smell it. Let me open it. It feels like it's the shape of like one cell of a honeycomb. It is. Oh my gosh, look at how adorable that is. Is it upside down? Whatever. No, it's not. Oh my God, I love it. I don't want to use it though because it's so cute. Oh, it does smell good. Okay, that's cute. Next. Oh. Oh, okay. Someone is in my way. One handmade gummy bear progress keeper. I love the cute stitch marker / progress keepers we get from Paradise. That is so cute. I am in love with that. Can you see? Oh, good. Yeah. Okay. All right. Then I'm gonna put it back in the bag because I don't want to lose it. Puka lemon ginger and manuka honey organic herbal tea. That sounds yum. Can you please? Is that what you want? You want some tea? You want a cup of tea? Oh my God, he's all over me right now. So that's lovely. And that's all they listed, but in my bag, there was a itty bitty little bee. And I believe these are like gosh, let me get in there real close. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. There. Isn't that cute? And my understanding, because we got ladybugs a while back, is that this is like a sticker. But I never use my stickers from Paradise because I want to keep them forever. Thank you, Paradise. This month is so awesome. I have to say, I cannot pick a favorite, but of course, impressed, I'm always gonna go with the aqua. But I'm gonna show you guys really quick. I'm feeling this combination a lot at the moment, but also this combination. It's a little bit like peach and strawberry like sherbet together. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to see you next time. I am actually working on editing my next video, which will be out probably Monday. It's time for me to pick a winner of the January box, January 2020. As this channel is growing, and it's been growing really fast, by the way, thank you so much, you guys, for sharing everywhere and commenting and liking and subscribing and all that stuff you do that helps my channel. It is awesome, and we're growing really kind of quicker than I thought was gonna happen. So it's amazing and exciting, but I wasn't really ready. So I haven't figured out how to find a random comment picker that will like take the whole month. So what I did is I used a random number generator to pick one of the videos from the past month, and then I could just pick a comment from that video. So that's what I did, and the winner is Paula. I'm gonna say Guernsey because that's what makes sense to me. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your YouTube handle. Congratulations, Paula, you win the box from January. To claim your prize, all you have to do is send me your mailing address to neverendingknitnight@gmail.com. That email address is below also, and I will mail it to you. Don't forget, all you have to do to enter to win the February box is comment on a video between now and the next unboxing, which will be in March. So good luck, exciting, congratulations to you, Paula, and don't forget to send me your information. If you're enjoying it,